Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this Aicliv smart light switch. This is going to replace this switch right here in order to allow us to have a timer for the front porch lights on this house, and so we were able to turn the lights on and off using our Amazon Echo. So inside the box, as you can see, you're going to find a couple user's manuals, usual stuff. Here's the switch itself. It's a push button type switch, but I believe it'll fit in the paddle switch slot. And you find a faceplate as well as some wire nuts and hardware for the switch. So I want to say that when you're installing a light switch, if you don't know how to do it, you should be using an electrician. AC voltage is dangerous. You shouldn't be messing with it if you don't know what you're doing. So with that said, I'm going to go out, figure out what breaker the switch is on, make sure the breaker's off, double check it with a multimeter, and we'll proceed with the installation process. So we'll be right back with that. All right, so as you can see, we have the switch installed now. You push it to turn it on, the light turns red. Push it to turn it off, the light turns green. Green's off, red's on, just so you know. You can see it fits in the standard profile of a paddle switch that's in most houses from the last 10 or 15 years. And what's nice about that is that you can put it in a multi-switch panel like I have here. It'll fit without you having to replace every single switch or without having to figure out some sort of custom configuration. So the cool thing about the smart switch, and the reason that most people install it, is because you can turn it on and off with your phone. So you're able to turn the lights on and off at a whim using the app in your phone. Now, the reason that we installed it was actually for the timer functionality, which we have set to turn the light on at 5:30 every evening and turn it off at 7:30 every morning. So that was our reason for installing it. Now, another thing that's cool about this is that you're able to control it with your Amazon Echo. You can say something like, Alexa, turn the lights on, or Alexa, turn the lights off, or whatever you've named the switch. In this case, we've named ours front light because it's the light in front of the house. So if we said, Alexa, turn the front light on, it would turn the light out in front of the house on. That integrates pretty seamlessly in between the Smart Life app and the Amazon Echo. So that's a really great feature. You know, any one of those reasons for installing one of these would be a great reason to buy one, test it out, and we're probably going to end up getting another one for this switch to replace that one, which controls the lights out in front of the garage. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.